Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable laptop sleeve without sewing, so let's get started. For a 13-inch laptop, cut out 2 pieces from all your layers 13.5 inches by 9 inches. You'll need fabric for the outer layer, fabric for the inner layer, and batting. So begin by placing one piece of your outer layer right side up, and then place your zipper teeth facing down 1/4 inch down from the top and pin it to stay in place, ensuring there's 1.25 inches of zipper on each end. Now grab your speedsew fabric glue, a Q-tip for precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the speedsew onto. Remove 1 to 2 pins, fold the zipper over, and start applying speedsew, ensuring that the line is no wider than 1/4 inch. Fold the zipper back over, lightly apply pressure, and repin the zipper down. Now repeat the same steps on the other half and on the other one. When you place the zipper down on the other piece of fabric, place it 1/4 inch down like the one we just did, and ensure that both right sides are facing each other and that the sides are lined up. Now repeat the same gluing steps and let the glue dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now grab your batting and align all 4 corners and pin it to stay in place. Apply glue to all 4 sides, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, then repeat on the other side. Once both pieces of batting are glued and pinned, let them dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now open your zipper and remove the pull tab to separate the 2 sides. Place your inner layer over the right side of the outer layer and start applying speedsew to the zipper tape, ensuring that the line is no wider than 1/4 inch. Fold the fabric back over, lightly apply pressure, re-pin, and repeat on the other side. After both sides are dry, you can remove all the pins and flip the fabric so both sides are right side out, and put the zipper slider back on. To do this, simply insert the zipper slider evenly on both sides of the track and pull on the tab. And make sure that the pull tab is facing the outer layer. Once you have successfully reapplied the slider, you can apply a small amount of glue to the end to prevent it from sliding off. Now match both right sides of each fabric together, ensuring that all the edges are lined up, and pin them to stay in place, and unzip your zipper at least 3/4 of the way. Grab your speedsew and a Q-tip and start applying glue to the outer layer side first. Avoid getting any glue on the zipper teeth and continue this process around the whole sleeve. And make sure to leave the center part of the lining unglued so we can turn the sleeve right side out later. Once you have glued and pinned the whole sleeve, let it dry for at least half an hour. After letting it dry, you can remove all the pins and turn the laptop sleeve right side out. Now for the last gluing step, grab your speedsew and a Q-tip and apply a line of glue to the opening. Fold the edges in and apply pressure and pin it to stay in place. After letting the glue dry, you can push the lining into the sleeve, and just like that, you created an adorable laptop sleeve without sewing using speedsew fabric glue. Thanks for watching!